Let me open blank Excel workbook. Select data from ribbon, get data from other sources, select from range. I already have opened Wikipedia webpage. So this is the data which we want to analyze. Copy the URL, paste it here, hit on OK. And this is the Navigator tab, and this is where you can review the data which you want to extract. You can also see web view here. So we'll go to the table view, check. So this is the preview. So this is the data which we want to extract. So before we already finish all these steps, hit on transform data, and this is the Power Query editor. This is the powerful tool which is very helpful for extracting, transforming, and loading data back to Excel. Well, it's a one-time step, so you don't need to perform all these steps again and again. Here we want to remove these empty columns. Select home, choose columns, uncheck location, it's gone. So we want to rename the header. Since the header is inaccurate, use select home, use first row as a headers. So we made it as say first row as a header, and just check the data. Okay, go to here, uncheck errors, or else select the cases, transform, search for the option remove errors. Where is that option? Let me find that option. No, remove errors. I think we need to or else you can delete those 3 rows. Select home, remove rows, remove bottom rows, type 3, then OK, it's gone. So we don't want this data since there is no data. Go here, or else you can replace this data with 0. Go to replace value, no data. Make sure Power Query is case sensitive. It should be same, no data, replace with 0. Done. Now select all the columns. There's a beautiful feature in Power Query. Hit on detect data type. Done. And we don't want this first row. Since this is a total, so you can remove this, remove rows, remove top row, hit on 1. Okay, gone. Now let me rename the headers. Recover. I'm sorry if I make any spelling mistakes. country. Done. We are done with extraction. We extracted data from web portal, from Wikipedia website, and later we clean the data. Now the data is very clean, so it's time to load back to Excel. Select the option as close and load to. So we want it to be as a pivot table report. Check on pivot table report option, hit on OK. Well, this process is also known as a web scraping, or only scrapping or scraping maybe. So select country as a rows, cases, deaths, recovered, causes. So far everything is perfect. We just want top 10 countries. We just want to find our top 10 countries in that rate. So go to the number filters, top 10, hit on OK, done. These are the top 10 countries. If you like this video, hit on like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.